Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, the focus is on the enchanting world of handmade wooden beds. Are you ready to discover why these unique creations are not just furniture, but pieces of art that enhance a living space? Every handmade wooden bed begins its journey in the workshop, where passion meets skill. Did you know that selecting the right wood can dramatically influence the appearance and feel of a bed? Let's take a closer look at what makes these beds so special. From the deep tones of walnut to the light hues of maple, each type of wood brings its own distinct personality into a bedroom. Oak boasts a classic grain pattern, providing timeless durability, while cherry wood exhibits a rich, warm finish that grows even more beautiful with age. This palette of options allows designers to create beds that match various styles, from traditional to contemporary. Imagine a bed that not only serves as a cozy retreat for sleep but also doubles as a stunning focal point in the room. The natural warmth and texture of wood create a serene atmosphere, inviting anyone to unwind at the end of the day. A beautifully crafted bed can elevate the entire ambience of a space, turning a simple room into a sanctuary. Now, it's essential to delve into the craftsmanship involved in creating these beds. The joints in a handmade bed are not merely about assembly, they are the very foundation of strength and longevity. Techniques such as mortise and tenon, dovetailing, and tongue-and groove work together to form structures capable of withstanding years of use. Each joint is not just a connection but a testament to the skill of the artisan and the quality of the materials used. Finishing touches require just as much attention. A hand-applied finish not only enhances the visual appeal but also protects the wood from wear and tear. Meticulous care ensures that a bed retains its charm over time, allowing it to withstand the hustle and bustle of daily life. As the years pass, the character of each piece develops, often marking the unfolding stories of the household. Style is equally important when considering handmade beds. No matter the aesthetic preference, there's a handmade bed to match every taste. Picture a sleek modern design, perfect for a minimalist space, or envision a rustic farmhouse style that adds warmth and charm to an urban home. This versatility makes wooden beds a valuable asset for any homeowner looking to create a personalized atmosphere. Reflect for a moment. When was the last time the comfort of a bed was fully enjoyed? Handmade wooden beds are not just about aesthetics, they provide unparalleled comfort, making them ideal for quiet nights and lazy weekend mornings. The combination of quality materials and expert craftsmanship results in a sleeping experience that is both restful and rejuvenating. Integrating a handcrafted bed into any home decor is seamless. Whether the design leans toward chic modernism or nostalgic vintage, wooden beds adapt beautifully to create a cohesive look. The adaptability and timelessness of wood demonstrate its ability to enhance various styles, making it a favorable choice for diverse tastes. But don't just take the word of the studio. Listen to what satisfied customers have to say. "I never knew how much a bed could influence my sleep," shares one delighted customer. "Now, I can't imagine my bedroom without my beautiful, handcrafted bed." Such testimonials emphasize the profound impact that quality, handmade furniture can have on well-being and lifestyle. The versatility of wood makes it an exceptional choice for any bedroom design. Consider the delight in waking up each morning in a space that feels as inviting as it is beautiful. A bed is not just furniture, it represents a lifestyle choice that reflects personal values and aesthetic preferences. Artisans pour heart and soul into each piece created. Every cut and every polish are reflections of years spent honing their craft. Crafted Wood Studio represents a community of passionate creators dedicated to producing high-quality, sustainable wooden products. This commitment speaks to the importance of craftsmanship in an age of mass production. Handcrafted beds are perfect for every age and stage of life. From charming beds designed for children to luxurious options crafted for adults, each bed is tailored to meet diverse needs. This array of choices ensures that every member of a family can find a bed that not only matches their style but also supports restful sleep. If there has been a search for a way to create a peaceful retreat in a home, the answer lies in handmade wooden beds. Visualize the stories shared, the memories made, and the comfort felt, all centered around a beautifully crafted masterpiece. These beds become focal points for families, where laughter and love unfold each day. In a world that frequently prioritizes speed and convenience, choosing a handmade bed signifies a commitment to quality and sustainability. Each piece tells a story of responsible sourcing and environmental consciousness, with many artisans ensuring that every step of the process respects the planet. Supporting handcrafted creations means investing in a more sustainable future. As home decor trends evolve, there is increasing emphasis on quality craftsmanship. Wooden beds stand as a testament to this shift, demonstrating that thoughtful design and sustainability can harmonize beautifully. They embody a movement toward values that prioritize artistry and labor over fleeting trends, enhancing the connection between furniture and the lives it touches. Thank you for embarking on this journey through the beauty of handmade wooden beds. It is hoped that inspiration has been found in the craftsmanship, variety, and essence of these creations. If this exploration resonated with personal tastes, consider taking a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Support helps continue the tradition of crafting beautiful wood creations designed for every home. Activating a notification bell ensures never missing an update. Until next time, embrace the beauty of nature within every living space, infusing a home with warmth and character.